What if I told you that you could walk out onto your tiny balcony tomorrow morning and pick a handful of sweet, juicy figs or perfectly ripe Meyer lemons, all from trees growing in nothing but ordinary pots? No backyard, no expensive greenhouse, no aching back from digging up the yard, just fresh, organic fruit that saves you hundreds of dollars a year at the grocery store and tastes 1,000 times better than anything you'll ever buy. Imagine stepping outside your apartment, reaching down and pulling off a sun-warmed strawberry or a perfectly sweet dwarf banana, all while your neighbors are still paying premium prices for imported produce that was picked weeks ago. Crazy? It's not. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to blow your mind with the top 10 fruit trees and plants that absolutely thrive in containers. Even if you're a complete beginner, live in an apartment, or you're over 60 and want gardening without the heavy lifting, these aren't gimmicks or fancy hydroponic setups. These are proven, high-yielding varieties that real people are growing successfully right now on patios, rooftops, and windowsills worldwide. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete step-by-step blueprint to build your own mini orchard in pots. We're talking exact pot sizes, soil recipes, watering schedules, pruning techniques, common mistakes that kill 90% of beginner plants, expected yields year after year, health benefits backed by real science, and even delicious ways to enjoy your harvest. So grab a notebook or your phone notes app, because your grocery bill is about to shrink dramatically and your backyard envy is about to disappear forever. Let's dive in and turn your small space into a productive fruit paradise. Look, most people think growing fruit trees requires a huge yard, constant work, and years of experience. But container gardening completely flips that myth upside down. You control every single variable: the soil quality, the tree size, the sunlight exposure, and even the temperature by simply wheeling your pots inside during a freeze. It's perfect for urban living where space is at a premium, for seniors who want to stay active and connected to nature without straining their backs or knees, and for anyone who craves real self-sufficiency in today's uncertain world. Today's list is ranked from number 10 down to number 1 based on 3 key factors: how easy they are for total beginners, their productivity in small spaces, and how forgiving they are when life gets busy. Every single plant on this list has been hand-picked because it produces full-sized, restaurant-quality fruit even when grown in limited space. We'll cover the absolute best dwarf and compact varieties available today, exact pot sizes you need to buy, custom soil secrets that make all the difference, watering tricks that prevent both drought and root rot, pruning tips to keep everything compact and productive, the most common mistakes that destroy harvests, and how to avoid them, realistic expected yields season after season, and the powerful health benefits each fruit delivers straight to your table. Plus, I'll share one bonus secret at the very end that can literally double your harvest with almost zero extra effort. This is the complete roadmap you've been waiting for. So let's get started with number 10. Number 10. The unstoppable pomegranate, the tree that laughs in the face of neglect. These incredible plants are practically indestructible and absolutely perfect for hot, dry climates or any sunny balcony that gets baked by the afternoon sun. For containers, always go for true dwarf varieties like Nana or State Fair. They stay beautifully compact under 6 to 8 feet tall, even in a 15 to 20 gallon pot, making them ideal for patios and small decks. Here's exactly how to plant for success. Use a high-quality, well-draining potting mix blended with 20% coarse sand or perlite to ensure perfect drainage. These trees crave full sun, at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every single day. Once established, water deeply once a week, but always let the top inch of soil dry out completely between waterings to prevent the number 1 killer, root rot. In spring and summer, feed every 4 weeks with a balanced organic fertilizer high in potassium to encourage heavy flowering and fruit set. Prune lightly in late winter by removing any crossing branches or dead wood to keep the canopy open and compact. After the second year, you can realistically expect 15 to 30 large, ruby red fruits per season. Each pomegranate is packed with powerful antioxidants that have been shown in studies to boost heart health, reduce inflammation, and supercharge your immune system. The biggest mistake to avoid is overwatering during the winter dormant period. That's when most people lose their trees. Real talk from someone who's helped dozens of balcony gardeners. One of my friends living in a small apartment harvested enough pomegranates last summer to make fresh juice for her entire family every single morning. The cost savings alone? Easily $50 to $75 a year, not to mention the unbeatable fresh flavor. This is the perfect starter tree if you want quick wins and almost zero stress. Number 9. The fig tree that actually prefers being a little cramped. Yes, you heard that right. Figs absolutely love tight roots, which means they fruit even heavier when grown in pots than they do in the ground. For cold-tolerant success, choose top-performing varieties like Petite Negra or Chicago Hardy. Plant them in a generous 15 to 25-gallon pot filled with rich, well-draining soil amended with plenty of compost for nutrients. They perform best in full sun, but will tolerate partial shade if that's all you have. Water consistently to keep the soil evenly moist, but never let it sit soggy. Figs are surprisingly drought-tolerant once their roots are established. During the fruiting season, switch to a high-potassium fertilizer to push those sweet fruits to develop faster. Here's a pro secret most people don't know. Figs actually get sweeter and more flavorful when you slightly stress them with controlled watering in the final weeks before harvest. Pick the fruit when it softens and gently bends at the neck. That's when the sugar content peaks. A single mature tree in a pot can easily deliver over 100 figs a year with that rich, honey-like flavor that's perfect for fresh eating, homemade jams, drying into chewy snacks, or even adding to salads. The health boost is massive too. Figs are loaded with fiber that supports digestion and keeps your gut happy. The one mistake that kills production is over-fertilizing with nitrogen. You'll end up with a jungle of leaves and zero fruit. Trust me, this one is an absolute game changer for anyone with a small patio who wants a tree that works overtime for you. Number 8. Blueberries, the ultimate superfood you can grow right in a pot. Dwarf varieties like Top Hat or Peach Sorbet stay super compact, look gorgeous, and produce a generous 3 to 5 pounds of sweet berries every season. The critical trick that most beginners miss? Blueberries demand acidic soil with a pH between 4.5 and 5.5. Create the perfect mix by combining standard potting soil with plenty of peat moss and pine bark fines. They need full sun for maximum sweetness and consistent moisture. Never let the soil dry out completely or the leaves will crisp up. Apply a thick layer of mulch to keep the roots cool and retain moisture. Most dwarf varieties are self-pollinating, but planting 2 different ones nearby will dramatically increase your crop size. Fertilize with an azalea or citrus-specific food every 6 weeks during the growing season. Birds will try to steal your bounty, so use lightweight netting once the berries start to color up. Fresh blueberries straight from your balcony are an antioxidant powerhouse that supports brain health, fights aging, and delivers a natural energy boost. Harvest begins in early summer and can last for weeks. The biggest mistake is using regular garden soil. The plants will yellow and die within weeks. This is the perfect choice for seniors who want something easy, beautiful, and packed with delicious, healthy snacks they can pick and eat on the spot. Number 7. The ever-bearing Meyer lemon that keeps on giving year-round. This sweet hybrid is far less tart than regular lemons and incredibly productive. One healthy tree in a 15 to 20-gallon pot can deliver 50 to 100 fruits annually. Use a well-draining citrus-specific soil mix, place it in full sun, and if winters get cold, bring it indoors and supplement with grow lights. Water only when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Feed monthly with a high-quality citrus fertilizer to keep the leaves dark green and the fruit abundant. Prune gently to maintain a nice rounded shape and encourage new flowering wood. The magic of Meyer lemons is that you'll often see fragrant white flowers and ripe fruit on the tree at the same time. It's pure visual and aromatic heaven. Use them in cooking, fresh tea, homemade lemonade, or even zest for baking. They're a true vitamin C powerhouse that supports immunity and skin health. Avoid cold drafts and sudden temperature drops below 50-degree Celsius. One single tree can completely replace every store-bought lemon you've ever bought and give you superior flavor in the process. Number 6. Dwarf peach trees like Bonanza or El Dorado that deliver full-sized, juicy peaches in a pot. These self-pollinating beauties produce 20 to 40 fruits per tree in a 15 to 20-gallon container. Give them full sun and rich, well-draining soil. Thin the young fruits early in the season so the tree can focus energy on fewer but much larger and sweeter peaches. Protect blossoms from late frost with simple row covers. Water deeply and consistently and fertilize regularly throughout the growing season. Harvest when the peaches are fragrant and yield slightly to gentle pressure. The flavor is unbelievably sweet and juicy, perfect for fresh eating, pies, cobblers, or freezing for smoothies. Prune right after harvest to keep the tree compact and ready for next year. This one brings serious summer vibes to any small space. Number 5. Dwarf pie cherries such as Romeo or Juliet that give you 10 to 15 pounds of fruit plus stunning spring blooms. They stay perfectly compact in 15 to 20-gallon pots, love full sun, and thrive in well-draining soil. Protect the crop with bird netting once the fruit starts to ripen. Keep moisture consistent and they're self-pollinating, so one tree is enough. Harvest in midsummer when the cherries turn deep red and taste tart sweet. The flavor is ideal for baking, jams, and sauces. Beyond the food, these trees offer incredible ornamental value with their beautiful white spring flowers. They're a 2-for-1 winner, beauty and bounty in one pot. Number 4. Columnar apples like North Pole or Golden Sentinel that grow straight up like living pillars. Absolutely perfect for narrow balconies or tight spaces. Each tree produces 15 to 25 full-sized crisp apples in a 15-plus gallon pot. They need full sun and minimal pruning to maintain their unique upright shape. If you have space for a second variety nearby, you'll get even better pollination and bigger crops. The fruit stores well into winter, giving you fresh apples for months. These are among the easiest fruit trees for absolute beginners and deliver that classic apple taste you crave. Number 3. Ever-bearing strawberries. Technically not a tree, but an absolute must-have producer in any potted orchard. Just 6 to 8 plants in one large container can give you pounds of sweet berries from early summer all the way into fall. Use succession planting by starting new runners every few weeks for truly continuous harvest. They love slightly acidic soil, full sun, and consistent watering. The payoff is an endless supply of fresh, juicy strawberries for snacking, desserts, or freezing. Number 2. Dwarf avocado varieties like Wurtz or Little Cato. Yes, you really can grow avocados in pots. These self-pollinating trees produce 20 to 30 creamy fruits after 3 to 4 years of patience. Choose a large pot with excellent drainage and well-draining soil, and give them full sun. The reward is homegrown guacamole that's fresher and more nutritious than anything from the store. A true superfood win. Number 1. The fast-growing dwarf banana. Varieties like Cavendish or true super dwarfs that turn your patio into a tropical paradise. In big pots with rich soil and plenty of water and fertilizer, you can harvest 50 to 100 bananas per cycle. They grow incredibly quickly and deliver that sweet, homegrown flavor you'll never forget. Bonus game changer. Apply 2 to 3 inches of organic mulch, wood chips, straw, or even coconut coir on top of every single pot. This simple step regulates soil temperature, locks in moisture, suppresses weeds, and slowly feeds your plants as it breaks down. A few general rules that will save you years of trial and error. Always choose pots with plenty of drainage holes, repot or refresh the soil every 2 to 3 years, keep a close eye for common pests like aphids or spider mites, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Gardening in pots should feel rewarding, not stressful. There you have it, your complete step-by-step guide to creating a potted fruit paradise that will change the way you eat and live. Which one of these incredible plants are you going to start with first? Drop your choice in the comments below, hit that like button if this video fired you up to garden, and subscribe for more senior-friendly small space gardening wins every single week. Your mini orchard is waiting. Start today, and tomorrow you could be tasting the sweetest fruit of your life. See you in the next video. Happy planting.